Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to clear data on Firestick. Let's go. First way, clear cache. Open settings. Applications. Manage installed applications. Choose App. Press Rewind button. Confirm. Second way, clear data. Select an unnecessary application and delete it. That's it. Now you know how to clear data on Firestick. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.